That was so good, Bean. You did such a good job.
Find some more words, Daddy.
Okay. What's that? A piggy. That's right. What's this? Doo-doo. That is right. It's a doo-doo train. What are these?
Shoes.
They go with shoes.
Glasses.
Those are glasses. They are glasses. These go with shoes. What are they called?
Shoes. Annie.
No, these go with shoes. You wear them.
Annie.
These are socks.
Annie.
Birdies in the sky. What's this?
Nana.
That's a nana. What's this?
Buck.
A duck. That's right.
Duck.
What's this one?
Bugger.
It's a frogger.
Bugger.
What are these?
No.
Grapes.
Got.
See, I never see them in their natural habitat,
Those are
Daddy. I always
grapes,
see them cut up.
You like grapes? You like grapes, don't you? I was waiting for him to say something profound. What are these? Shoes. Shoes. What's this? Is it a shirt?
Shirt, that's what he said.
Orange. What's this? It's a bird eye. That's right. What is this? Fish. Pencils. That's right. What are these? Card. That's right. That's right. What is this? Bird or chicken. That's right. What's this? That's right. What are these? Rabbits. That's right. What are these? Okay. And these? Okay, those are balls. Dinosaurs? Yeah. You did a good job, man.